Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, August 21st, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can build residual income by giving away silver. But before I get started, if it's your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years now. Been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So, with that being said, we all know that people love free things, right? And there's not too many free things left in this world. But people love a good deal, they love value, they love anything that's free, people will jump on, right? So, with this opportunity that I'm a part of, this is something that that they've come up with where you can give away free silver to get them to take a look at the opportunity, okay? And I'll tell you, you can start small with this. You only need a couple of people to take you up on your free silver offer to build a huge business, right? Because you only need one or two people to go out there who are real action takers to grow your business, right? I mean, there's some, I've had people in other opportunities that I've signed up, and they'll go and bring in 80, 90, 100 people into the program. Right? So it's not like you need thousands and thousands of people to grow a huge organization. You just need a couple of action takers that go out there and show up every day and stay consistent to build a big empire. All right? And I can't guarantee you'll make any money if you join me in any opportunity. It's totally dependent on your work ethic. But I will tell you that the people that do join me and take action, those are the people that get results. Okay? So what Quicksilver has done is they have a genius marketing system. This is optional if you join the program. It's an optional monthly expense, but you get a free 7-day trial, and then it's only $7.77 a month for this marketing system. It's a customized Quicksilver marketing system, okay? And it's genius for the simple fact that you're allowed to give away a free bar of silver for having the person check out your opportunity. Okay? And there's not many people there's not many opportunities out there where you can give away something for free to have them look at the opportunity. All right? Oh gosh, there's a bad car accident right here in front of me. Well, I hope everyone's all right. So, bear with me while I get through this, please. So, what I was saying is that Quicksilver has a marketing system where you can go ahead and give away a free silver bar, all right? The customer only pays a shipping and handling fee, and it's less than $3. It's like $2.74, and they get a free silver bar sent to their doorstep just for checking out the opportunity. So once they do that, they're in the system, right? Once they put their information into your capture page, they're into the system, and the system's going to follow up on your behalf and do all the selling and telling for you. We have emails that go out up to like 35 or 40 days, I think. All right, and in the marketing system itself, you get all their information. You can send out broadcast emails. I mean, it's a really great system for $7.77 a month, right? So if you get if you become a wealth ambassador, that's $9.97 a month. You can get an auto shipment of silver as low as $8.97 a month, and then you have a marketing system for $7.77 a month. You're looking at running a complete silver business, silver and gold business, for less than $30 a month. All right, and part of that is, a third of that is coming to you in silver. So really, for under $20 a month, you can start your own silver and gold business and have an awesome marketing system that allows you to give away free silver bars. It just flat out works. Look at this. This is another stack. I showed you another stack yesterday. This is a brand new stack I did last night that's going to go out in the mail today. And inside each one of these letters, is all about getting a free bar of silver. All right, just for checking out the opportunity. Now, imagine somebody getting, a letter in the mail with them wanting to join a program, right? Where there's absolutely nothing free. Just join my program. I get them every single day in the mail. Join my program. Most of those go in the garbage, all right? 99% of everything I get goes in the garbage. I'll look at it, all right, but I'm really not interested in joining any opportunities right now, just because I'm happy with what I'm doing. But now imagine you get a letter in the mail, all right, that has a free silver bar in it. You can get a free silver bar. All about getting a free silver bar and building wealth and residual income using the Quicksilver platform. You think people are going to hop onto that? You better believe it. I'm getting people into my capture page every single day. All right? And the cool part about this is the retention rate is unbelievable. All right? I brought in a lot of people to Quicksilver already. I've only had 4 people stop their business. All right? Because people see the value that this opportunity offers. All right? Because it's one of the only opportunities where you can build, you're getting something physical, tangible, an asset in the mail that's going to continue to go up in value every single month. And you have the option of making residual income by sharing the opportunity with other people. And it's the easiest business I've ever shared with anybody, because you're giving something away for free. I'm not trying to convince somebody to buy a supplement or anything like that. I'm literally saying, check out my opportunity. You're going to get a free bar of silver in the mail. You pay $2.74, I think it is, to have it shipped to you. They're giving you a free silver bar to jumpstart your silver stacking journey. It's a no-brainer, folks. All right? It just flat out works. It's like a no-brainer. Right? They're giving you a silver bar that's going to go up in value over time. Okay? So, to get people into this system, I've never seen, in all my years of doing this, I've never seen an easier or better opportunity than Quicksilver. And it benefits you regardless of if you bring people into the opportunity or not. All right? And on top of that, you're feeding starving children. All right? Because the company takes a portion of their profits and sends meals to children that are in need. How can you not feel good about being a part of that? You're getting physical silver and gold, whatever you choose, in the mail every month. That's going to continue to go up in value. It's like the best type of savings account you can have. All right? Because the governments can't do anything about it. They can't reprint more gold and silver. Right? But we all know that they print money whenever they feel like it, and that just continues to undervalue the dollar bill. So to me, it's a no-brainer. And like I said, every giveaway, every person that comes in here and gets a free piece of silver, you don't know who they are. They could be somebody who brings in 100 people into this opportunity for you. Right? You make money on everybody that joins your organization. That's the cool part. So even if you're making, $100 a month from it, it's free silver or gold that you're getting for free. Right? And if you're a real action taker, like I am, and you want to put letters together like this every day, or you want to create content on YouTube or Facebook or any other social media platform every day, if you're somebody that shows up every day, takes massive action and stays consistent, you could build a silver stacking empire. Right? So I'm super excited about this opportunity. I've never come across a way that's so easy to build a residual income by giving away something for free, right? It's just a no-brainer. So I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm here to help you out, all right? And if you want to learn more about this, if you want to get your free silver bar to help jumpstart your silver stacking journey, go to silverstackingempire.com. silverstackingempire.com. There'll be a link down below this video. Check it out. And we do have postcards for this opportunity. There's brochures, there's booklets, there's drop cards, there's business cards. I have drop cards and business cards coming in the mail. As soon as I get them, I'm going to do a video. I'll show you those and how easy they are and how effective they are. I mean, it's just an easy opportunity that you win no matter what. You win whether you're bringing people into the opportunity or not, okay? So I appreciate you all taking the time to watch this. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and I guess that's it. So have a great rest of your day wherever you are, and I'll see you on the next video. Until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.